Huh?
Don't you think you have enough videos already?
Oh, I just doing like all the other YouTubers. All the other YouTubers, they record the trucks every time they come by their houses.
So you just record every single day.
Yeah, but yeah, but like only in one block with the trucks. But like if I see the same truck again in the same block, I just don't record it. When I see it in the same block.
Make sure you record this one now, then.
Yeah, I record you on only this block.
And leave me alone, alright?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in high school now.
I heard.
Yeah.
What high school you go to?
Laser pie.
You like it?
Kind of.
You're a freshman now?
Yeah. Yep.
Pretty soon you can start driving.
Yeah.
You're gonna follow us around.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. All right.